everybody, and welcome to OANDA Forex Market Outlook for the 3rd of December. My name is Tamar. Now, traders tend to pay a lot of attention to big news that tends to move the market. Such big news are non-farm payroll. Now, how do we know which sort of news are about to come and what are the importance of that news? Well, what we do, we go into the OANDA website and we scroll down right to the bottom, and what we can find here is Forex news. So we press on the Forex news and we get into the market pulse. In the market pulse, we have the tab over here of economic calendar, and in it will come all the information, all the news from all the countries, and the importance of the news will be marked over here. You can also filter the importance of this information, and you can filter on the country as well. So right now what I've got in my filter is the highest news events that we have in the coming week. So if I scroll down into Friday, I can see over here the non-farm payroll. Now, what is the non-farm payroll? What it basically is the change in the number of employed people during the previous month, and as the name indicates, it does not include the farming industry. This information is released an hour before the US market open. And let's take a look at the charts and see how last month's reading and expectation affected the charts. So last month what happened is the market expected 235,000 and the actual reading was 214,000, which was significantly less than what was expected. And the reason why this information is so important is because it gives us leading indicator into the health of the economy. So basically it has a big effect on the US dollar. So let's see the effect that it had on the market. So let's go first into dollar sing as an example, and I've marked over here the day of last month reading, which was the 8th of November. And as you can see, the market has been in an uptrend coming into this day, and what happened is we were overextended on the daily from the moving averages. So basically there was overextension between the price and the buy zone, which is the area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages. Coming into the non-farm payroll day, what we had is a pullback into the moving averages. So basically the market did not like the news that came through, and the US dollar was sold, and we had a pullback on this chart, and then what we had is a continuation of this uptrend. It basically provided us with an opportunity as the market pulled back into the buy zone and then continue on higher. Let's have a look at another example. Let's look at dollar CAD, and what we can see from dollar CAD is we were in a nice uptrend over here. We were overextended and we had a pullback into the moving averages right around here. So here again the market has pulled back on this non-farm payroll day because of the result of the non-farm payroll. However, it was a continuation of this uptrend. This uptrend was only broken a couple of days later. Now, what will be the effect of non-farm payroll this month? For that, let's take a look at the chart. And what is expected for this month is that we're expecting 232,000. So let's take a look at the chart and let's see where we are, because where we're sitting is quite interesting. And this is US dollar versus the euro, and this is what we've got here on euro dollar. We've got a level right around here. This is the area that we're sitting on at the moment. Now, we do say that non-farm payroll has the effect of change the direction of the market or drive it in the same direction quite strongly. So what we've got here is a level of support. So the market came down into this level around the 1.237 and find support around it. We can see that we touched it here and then we bounced up, and then we touched it again, bounced up, and now we're coming down into this level. So what we can expect from non-farm payroll, depending on the reading, is either a change of trend or a break of this level right around here. Interestingly enough, euro dollar, dollar Swiss, and cable, which is the pound versus the dollar, are all in a similar area. So let's take a look at that, and this is where we are on cable, and let's mark the level on cable as well. So the level that we're looking at is around the round number of 1.56. So we had a touch over here, came down, touched again, came up much higher, came down again, touched this level. made another lower high over here and then coming down into this level again. There is the expectation that the market will continue lower because the overall direction is to the downside. However, as we said, non-farm payroll has the effect of changing the direction of the overall trend. So watching this level very closely. Let's take a look at dollar Swiss, and the level that we're looking at on dollar Swiss, it's right around here, around the level of 0.974, and we can see that we didn't have such a precise touches as we did with cable or with euro dollar. However, again, we have a level. This is the touch here, there's another touch quite close over here, and now we're coming up into this level as well. So watching this very closely, what we've got so far on the indicators is we're flat on the MACD and we're somewhat converging on the RSI on these previous highs. So currently the US dollar is consolidating at support and resistance level against these currencies. Let's take a look, for example, again at dollar CAD, and what we can see on dollar CAD is we don't have those three touches that we had, or several touches that we had on the previous example, but we do have another level over here which is around the 1.145, which let's just mark that in as well. So you can see there is another level that sits here on dollar CAD as well. We only have two touches, but it's still a level of resistance right around here. Let's take a look at a different one, which is dollar Sing, and with dollar Sing we're actually continuing a very nice uptrend. So even if we had a pullback, it will be a pullback into the moving averages. It will still look good on this uptrend. So looking and watching very closely into those levels of support and resistance. Now if you would like to know more, how do we trade around support and resistance level, how do we trade following such big news event, and what sort of trading opportunities we are looking for, then OANDA offer their client premium education course. And in this course, which is an 8-hour course that runs over 4 weeks of 2 hours each session, we teach technical analysis and we teach trading strategies, and we teach you how to look into opportunities and also risk and trade management as well. Now this course is for OANDA clients only, and if you're interested, please check out the OANDA website for more details and time of those sessions. Wish you a fantastic trading day, and I look forward to speak with you soon. Bye for now.